Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we're going to be unboxing the boAt Airdopes 171 Twin Wireless Earbuds. As you can see over here, they come in this little compact box. Let me just quickly remove the cling film before we get in further. And there you have the boAt's Airdopes 171 Twin Wireless Earbuds. Now, these come with IP4 sweat and water resistance ratings. They offer instant wireless connectivity via Bluetooth 5.0. You'll see that they offer voice assistant support for both Google Assistant as well as Siri. They have multifunction button controls, including a mic. They have dual tone colors, as we shall see shortly. And they offer pure audio experience using 6mm dynamic drivers. In the box, you have a charger and with adapter, cable and wire. Let's just open the box and see what we have inside. Inside the box, you get the warranty card from manufacturer boAt. You have the devices themselves in this neat little capsule charging case. And you get the charging cable, as you can see over here. It is a micro USB type form factor. As you can see, you have spare earbuds for customization if required. You get the user manual from boAt, which explains all the various functionalities of the device and how to get maximum performance from them. And that's really it. As for the devices themselves, they come in this neat capsule case. Remove the plastic. A really handy small capsule case for carrying the devices. You have the micro USB charging port at the back over here. When we open them, there they are. The boAt Airdopes 171 Twin Wireless Earbuds nestled in this small magnetic cradle over here. The earbuds themselves are pretty straightforward. You have the boAt branding at the back over here. The earbuds themselves, the magnetic lock that hold them in place. And of course, the multifunctional buttons over here at the back. And there you have it. The boAt Airdopes 171 Twin Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for joining.